Cutting and carving require a skilled hand. Precision and accuracy are of utmost importance. A brilliant honing that comes from an artist's imagination. However, in the past years, the Computer Numerical Control or CNC router was introduced by the international market to aid in the mass production of the carving industry.
Ito yung advanced lilok na tinatawag.
Very recently, the Philippine government's Department of Science and Technology, Metal Industry Research and Development Center, or DOST MIRDC, produced a locally made CNC router designed for Filipino consumers.
Well, one of the objectives of this machine is to localize the machines, no? It's para mas available siya all over the Philippines, and the most important thing is to lower the cost of the existing CNC router in the world, no? So the machines can be used for cutting and engraving for non-ferrous materials. Let's say if you want to cut a square, so at 100 pieces na square, makakapag-cut ka na pare-parehas. Unlike yung manual operation, kasi kung mano-mano yung pagka-cut mo, it's either magkaroon ng offset yung pagka-cut ng machine.
Ang advantages na nakukuha namin dito sa router is mas marami kami nagagawang perfect, precise yung trabaho. Hindi na namin kailangan mag-ulit-ulit ang ginagawa dahil mali yung sukat. So hanggang sa pinakamaliit na detalye, kaya nang gawin.
Okay, so yung machine natin napakadali lang naman gamitin, very user-friendly. No? Kailangan lang natin, meron tayong computer kung saan naka-install yung ating CAD/CAM na software. So from the CAD/CAM software, gagawa tayo ng design. Doon natin i-generate yung kanyang program. Yung program, basically, ita-transfer natin siya sa machine via USB. And then, meron tayong controller kung saan yung controller, yun na yun magko-convert ng certain program into mechanical movements na susundin na ng machine. Yun lang yung concept niya.
From the simple beauty crafted by the hand, new strides have been made to bring perfection to another level.
Automated na, so meaning less workforce na kailangan natin. Is lower around 20% on the market available today. So, but with the same quality, no, nagkaroon kami ng exhibit, and then they were very amazed kasi sabi nila, kaya pala ng Pilipino gumawa ng ganitong machine. So,
The Filipino-made CNC router, a cut above the rest.